Hello and welcome to the Listening Post's unboxing channel on YouTube. Today I'm not unboxing anything. Today I'm introducing 25 videos celebrating 25 products that culminate 25 years of me in this industry. I started in this industry 25 years ago working for the competition. Ended up part of the Listening Post team in early 2001. I've been the owner of the Listening Post Christchurch for 20 years, more than 20 years, and owner of the Listening Post in Wellington for more than 10 years. The Listening Post itself was established by Paul Quilter in 1978. It was in Tokoroa. It expanded into some modest shops in Hamilton and in Christchurch, all of which grew, ended up moving and expanding, and all of the things that happen as a business develops such a good reputation in our industry. I got headhunted from that first place that I worked at to come and manage the Listening Post in Christchurch, and it was 3 or 4 years later that I purchased it. History aside, we're celebrating 25 years. 25 years of wisdom, 25 years of those little mistakes that have turned into the business model that we have at the Listening Post today. It's 25 years of finding the very, very best products. The ones that we know will work very, very well for the end users. 25 years of doing the best we can to support those products, to ensure if there's a problem we try and fix it, and if there's a part we try and find it, and it doesn't matter if it's brand new or it's 25 years old, we're still going to do our very, very best to keep it on the road. We're celebrating these 25 years, as I said, with 25 products, 25 videos talking about those products to ensure that you understand some of the things that are now iconic to me and the things that I really, really enjoy about this industry. So, I hope you enjoy these 25 videos. I hope you celebrate these 25 years as I will be, here at the Listening Post in Christchurch, New Zealand.